Unscrew it. Unscrew it. You can do a better job. Do you know how? Here. It's the green one that screws. Oops. Here. Here. Use your tongue and unscrew it. Unscrew it. That's right. Keep turning it. Turn. Try again. You did it. Good job. Good job. Good catch. Thank you. Thank you. Now I'm over here, not over there. Thank you. Oops. Almost. Good job. You tossed it back into my hand a couple of times. No, I'm not over there. I'm over here. How about this? Oops. How about this? They're tough to catch. There's a hole. Try it again. How about a cat? How about this one? Good job. Hello. Thank you. You tossed it right back to me. Yay! Over here. Thank you! Yay! I caught it! Yay! I caught it! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!